everybody, I'm Pichu and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you my automatic crafter for the custom crafter from GM4. So let's crack on. So first off, I tried it with hopper minecarts but it didn't work. You will need the custom crafter base module, the normal expansion pack, and if you want even more expansion packs, this is the master bench crafter, and I recommend you use that because you have that much more things, and you can also do the normal thingy. So yeah, you should do that. But the machine itself is 3 3 in length, 11 wide, and 5 high if you don't count those two blocks here, so 6 in total. It works pretty good, and it also has a stop lever because yeah, you don't like hopper clocks that keep running, and it uses some trap chests, so this can break the system. So always use the lever if you put things in the chest. Here I have set up a little demo. You will always need special names for the duplicates, so it will not always work, and it's it will not always work, and yeah. Oops. Here I put in the bucket. The good thing about chests is that they put in the items after each other, so in the first this one, then I mean like first this stack, then this stack, then this stack, then this stack, so you can fill it totally up with special things. So if you flick the lever and wait a little bit, we can see that now they get, oh, I'm dropping. So yeah, that's what happens if you put it in the wrong place. And I should stop the flicker, yeah. That's what happens if you do it wrong. So it works pretty good if you do it right. Uh oh. No, it works. Okay. So no, it's stuck here, but in the next they always get in the chest, so now you have the perfect working thing. Yeah, sometimes it also doesn't work perfectly, but that shouldn't be that big of a problem. And you can easily add an extra chest here, so everything gets in the chest properly, like so. Just use the lever always when you want to change something. Anyway, let's crack on with the tutorial. So to make this machine you will need 13 redstone, a redstone block, 2 redstone torches, 3 redstone repeaters, a lever, 3 droppers, 21 hoppers, 3 redstone comparators, some building blocks, some blocks for in the clock, 3 sticky pistons, 2 anvils, 6 normal chests, and 4 trap chests. You can also just use one normal chest and change those two in droppers, but I recommend just using the chests. So first off, you will need to dig it out, and then place a comparator here and here with your hoppers in between, and then 2 blocks there with 2 redstone on top. Just make a regular ether hopper clock, or the so color state like so. Then you put 16 is perfect, 16, so put 16 in there with then power from there, and you pick your 3 droppers and put them in a formation like so. This one needs to be your crafter, so turn it into that. Then place a hopper under that with then a bunch of hoppers like so. Jesus. So now you have your row of hoppers, then hoppers pointing into it like so. Then you wire up the dropper elevator. Don't place a block there like so, and then oops, wrong way around. So, and you have place one block here, and you have your dropper elevator. Then take out a signal like so, with then your 2 torches here, and then oops, so a whole row of clocks. Then you place your oops, sticky piston, last sticky piston there. That's just a updater for the clock, because otherwise it doesn't work anymore. So if I didn't have this, you can see it gets stuck there, but this is a block updater for the bit. So then you place one chest here, and then in a pattern your other chests, so with your trap chests in this order, and that's all there is to. You know you can wire up your stop switch like so, and place some blocks here, place your 2 anvils there, because anvils are good and you will need them to craft things. And then lay a row of blocks so to stand on, and fill those blocks in, and you have the machine. So if we know, say we want sands to be created, that will be, or one that I know out of my head, right, red sand. We want red sand, just take 8 stacks of red sand. Don't know how much that I have of normal sand, I mean. Then a stack of rose red, and rename those sand. 1 need to be normal, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you flag the reaper to stop the clock. Say toggle don't fall, because it's raining, and put those in the machine. In the middle slot you put rose red. 5, 7, 8, and click the lever, and after a little bit of time it gets in. create red sand, and it will be put into this chest. So that's it. If you have some things with empty spaces at the top or bottom, just place in some filler stuff, because the custom crafted don't detect if you have that in there. So like if I would stop this and then put like a so in, and it's normal sand, not, or then like a slab, I just get 2 cent. So just have filler like a so in the first 4 and then a slab, and you still have your sand. So I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like or comment or maybe even subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye bye.